You know, painting the outside of your house, especially if you have to get up on a ladder, is a pretty daunting task. But there are some things that you can do to make your project go a lot faster, especially if you've got to remove the old peeling or cracked paint. So you might want to check out one of these. Now this is Wagner's Painteater, and this is a perfect way to remove the cracked or the peeling paint that you need to get off the side of the house before you prime and paint it and make it look all nice again. The one thing that I like best about this, check out this wheel. It is sturdy and it is going to take that paint down. If you do need to remove the paint, you can use the side. If you need to feather the surface, this is perfect for that application. You know, so many times though we can attach these wheels to, say, like our power drills, but those are very wobbly and hard to control, especially if you're, say, 10 feet or more off the ground on your ladder. But look at this, with this feature right here, you just press in these buttons and this handle pops right out, and you're going to get more control when you do use this sander. So it's effective, it's efficient, and best of all, when you're up on that ladder, it's safe.